6 reasons why learning journals are a really key part of any learning process. So, number 1, learning is metacognitive, and writing is a metacognitive skill. We're looking at tools for how people access learning. Writing is an absolute key. Number 2, Gary Rolfe did a lot of research that suggests that we write for discovery. So as we are writing, the act of writing and committing something to paper is actually part of the discovery process and helps inform our thinking on what we're writing about. Number 3, writing is a concrete act of communicating. So it allows learners to understand a way of using their voice and making their voice concrete in the world using a medium that they may not have experienced before. And I think that's really powerful as a tool. Number 4, writing goals leads to better success. So a researcher called David Pugiley looked at the statistical difference between problem solving when writing was part of the problem solving process versus when it was simply a verbal discussion. And there is a statistical improvement in problem solving capability when you look at writing as part of the problem solving process. Number 5, there was a study done of 145 students at a university in Jordan in 2015. It found that the 2 largest factors on academic motivation were mastery goals that were written down and an understanding of the metacognitive process of learning. The last one, number 6, and in my view the most important, is that learning journals put the learner in charge of their own learning process. It allows them a creative medium and control over what they record, how they record, and how they start to piece together the understanding of learning. And that is absolutely central to the constructivist model of learning.